Today, I'll show you how to change the language on Glassdoor. If you use Glassdoor for job searches, company reviews, or salary research, switching the language can make everything much easier to understand and navigate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click, explain what you should be seeing on the screen, and share a few tips so you don't get lost along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser and press enter. Make sure you're on the official Glassdoor site, and if you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so that your settings can be saved properly. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to fully display all the elements so nothing is missing as you move through the steps. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Glassdoor page. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your account, this might appear as a small avatar, your initials in a circle, or a simple profile silhouette. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several account-related options. Take a brief look at what's available, but for now, you'll be focusing on the help and settings side of things. From this drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Help Center. It may also appear as Help in some layouts, but it will clearly reference the Help section. Clicking this will open a new page or tab that's dedicated to support resources. The Help Center is where Glassdoor keeps its guides, FAQs, and various support tools, and it's also where the language setting is tucked away. Once the Help Center page has loaded, you'll want to scroll down, use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or the scroll bar on the right side of your screen to move toward the bottom of the page. Don't worry if you see a lot of articles and links as you scroll, you're heading past those. Keep an eye on the lower part of the page, specifically the bottom right corner. This is where Glassdoor places the language selector, so continue scrolling until you reach the footer area of the site. Near the bottom right, you should see a language option, often displayed as the current language name like English, along with a small icon or drop-down arrow. This is the control that lets you switch languages. Click on that language option. A list of available languages will appear, showing you all the different versions Glassdoor offers. Take a moment to find the language you're most comfortable with. The list might include multiple regional variations, so choose the one that matches your preference, such as a specific country variant, if that matters to you. After you click on your desired language, the page will typically refresh, and the interface text in the Help Center and often across the site will update to reflect your new selection. If it doesn't change right away, try refreshing the page manually or navigating back to the main Glassdoor site to confirm that the language has been updated there as well. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Glassdoor, making it easier to read reviews, explore companies, and manage your profile in the language that works best for you.